Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the paper size. At first, zoom out the document. Now I am zoom out this. Now we can see we have the page layout menu. We go to this, then select the size drop down menu. The size is A4. You want to change this size, letter, tabloid or the legal, etc. Now I am select the letter size. We can see we change the paper size easily. You can see this paper size, go to the file menu and select the print option and check the preview. Now we can see we change the paper size later very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.